What's up? How we doing this today? One race, 2G buy-in, winner takes all. Hector, you're gonna hold the charge.
Why Hector?
Place is too slow to make away with the money.
Hey, wait, hold up. I don't have any cash, but I do have the pink slip to my car. I lose, winner takes my car, clean and clear. But if I win, I take the cash and I take the respect. To some people, that's more important.
At your car?
I got a cool air intake. It's got a nice fogger system and T4 turbo Dominic.
So what do you say? Am I worthy?
We don't know yet, but you're in.
Well done, well done, well done.